Do you frequently create the same type of Excel chart? Maybe it's for a monthly or quarterly report. If yes, then working with chart templates might be a huge time saver for your next chart project. Hi, I'm Dawn with K2 Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll look at how to save time by creating and applying chart templates. What do you do when you want to add a chart to an Excel worksheet or a pivot table? Are there specific formatting steps that you repeat over and over? Fortunately, we can automate this process with a chart template, which saves all the formatting options and settings you want to use. Then anytime you want to work with the same formatting, you can apply the chart template to any new or existing chart. To create a chart template, either insert a chart and change the formatting, or open a workbook with an existing chart you want to use again. For this, I'll create a simple column chart. Once the data is selected, insert, and I'll pick my column chart. And now I'm ready to make any changes that I want before I create the chart template. The default chart formatting in Excel typically includes many extra elements that aren't always needed for our charts. So we are typically spending a lot of time making changes. For this chart, for instance, I moved the legend, added titles to the vertical and horizontal axes. I also decreased the gap width between the columns of data and removed the grid lines to simplify the look of the chart. Additionally, I picked a different color scheme. Now, you may not do all of these things in your charts, but this gives you an example of what you can store in a chart template so that you do not have to repeat those steps manually over and over again. To create a chart template, select a formatted chart, whether it's one you just created or one from a previous project. And then right-click on the chart, pick Save as Template. The Save Chart Template window will open. Don't change the location. When naming chart templates, be descriptive. For instance, you might add the type of chart, the purpose, and then color or formatting. As you can see here, chart templates are saved with a .crtx file extension, and they're saved locally on your computer in this reserved templates folder. Now, your location may vary depending upon your system setup, but in this case, mine's at c:/users/username/appdata/roaming/microsoft/templates/chart. By default, this folder is a hidden item, so if you want to see it later, you may need to change this option in the Windows Explorer. We'll choose Save. To save chart templates that might be useful to other team members, you can copy that template file to a shared location, and then each person would then need to copy the templates to their own local template folder. So once you have a chart template, you can apply it to any new or existing chart. It's also a great way to create consistency within your organization, especially for branding and to save time. To create a new chart from a chart template, select the data you want to use for the chart. It does not have to be similar data to what was originally used for the chart template. Next, let's go to Insert, and we'll open up our charts. Now, there's multiple ways for us to get to this. I could simply select the type of chart that I want and choose More Column Charts, or we'll open up the Charts dialog box or go to Recommended Charts. From here, I want to pick All Charts. Even though a column chart is being suggested to me, all we need to do then is go to Templates. And here you will see a gallery of your chart templates with suggestions based upon the selected data. And here's the one I just created for my quarterly reports. I'll select it and OK, and there we go. So now I have all of the key elements here for my chart, and it takes only a few more minutes then to customize the titles, maybe change the size or the location, and we're ready to go. Now, if you want to apply a chart template to an existing chart, that's also really easy here. Here I have a pivot chart that's been created from a pivot table. Chart templates can be applied here as well. To apply a chart template, I'll right-click, and here is the option, Change Chart Type. But notice I still have that option, Save as Template. We'll navigate to Templates. Now, it's good to know as well that you have this option when you're in Templates, Manage Templates. This will open up that folder directly. So you have the option here to rename templates, delete them, move them, even to grab them so that you can copy them to a shared location. Because I've created pivot charts before, I already saved the customization, so this is the one that I want. And notice how easily this formatting changes, simply by using a chart template. Now, any changes you make to the chart after applying a template do not affect the chart template. You can, however, save the chart template again if you want to update the template with new formatting. Now you've seen how easily chart templates can save you time and effort by allowing you to create your own default chart formats. In this K-Squared Tech Tip, we've explored working with Excel chart templates. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.